CCTV cameras are a huge benefit for home security, but do you know where they should be installed? Hi, I'm Holly from Region Security Guardian's YouTube channel where we make videos about security, and security guards, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date with all the latest Security Guardian news. In today's video we will be uncovering what are the best CCTV installation tips that you should know. Who can install CCTV? It's legal for anyone to install CCTV onto their property, and many business owners or homeowners may install security cameras for an extra layer of protection. When you're installing CCTV cameras at home, it's important that you take your neighbours into consideration and make sure that your cameras aren't pointing onto their property. Do I need a licence to install CCTV? Another common question about security camera installation is, do I need a licence to install a security camera? Well, in most cases you won't need a licence to install a camera onto your property. But if you are unsure whether you need a licence or not, you can always contact a security company, as they will know whether a certain property will need a licence for security camera installation or not. How much does it cost to install CCTV? There is no set cost for how much CCTV cameras will take to install. The cost of CCTV will depend on many factors, such as the type of cameras you are installing, the amount of cameras you are installing, what property you are installing cameras on, and where on your property you are installing these cameras. Why install CCTV? You may be thinking, is it worth installing CCTV cameras? Well, there are many benefits to installing CCTV. Some of these benefits are: security cameras can help reduce home insurance policies, they can survey blind areas on your property, and cameras can act as a visual deterrent against thieves. If you're interested in learning more about the benefits of CCTV security, then check out our video, which will be linked in the description box below. Where to install CCTV? There are many locations where you can install security cameras on your property. If the main role of your camera is to protect your home away from any potential crimes such as burglars, then you should position your cameras so they are covering any entrances to your home. Some of the most common places to install CCTV cameras are your front door, near any windows, in your hallway, in driveways, and near your back door. Should you install CCTV yourself or get an expert? There are two ways to install CCTV systems: yourself or hiring a security expert to install them. Due to the high-tech nature of cameras today, they can be complex to install, and the mounts for them may need to be drilled. Wireless cameras are probably the most easiest to install. If you're comfortable with electronics, then you may want to attempt the installation yourself. However, you may save yourself a lot of time and frustration if you employ professionals from the start. Many security companies will offer a free audit of your home to help you identify where you may need security cameras. CCTV installation tips. Installing CCTV can be daunting, as it may feel quite complex. When you are installing CCTV, it's best to follow security camera installation tips, as they can help you feel a bit more comfortable with the installation. But what security camera installation tips should you be following? Let's get into it. CCTV tip 1, always check your lighting. Our first tip is always check your lighting. It is important when you are installing CCTV that you make sure the areas that you are recording are well lit, else there's no point in recording it. If you are looking to record at night, then you should ensure that your security camera has a night vision mode. CCTV tip 2, cover all entrances to your property. Our second tip is making sure that your security cameras cover all areas of your property. CCTV cameras are often used to survey blind spots on your property, but they should also be placed to cover any vulnerable areas on your home, such as entrances. This could be any windows, gardens, or basement entrances. Making sure that all of your entrances are covered is extremely important, as most criminals will often target these areas first. CCTV tip 3, install a security camera that fits your needs. Our third and final tip is making sure that you install a security camera that fits your particular needs. There isn't one set camera that is the absolute best, and instead you should look for a camera that will fit your particular needs. If you're looking for a camera to move and cover the whole property, then a system that rotates will be best for you. However, if you're looking for a camera that produces high quality images for a particular area, then a wide angle high resolution camera would be your best option. If you're unsure what security camera you may need, then you should do some research beforehand or contact a security company, as they are experts in CCTV and they will review your requirements and be able to advise you accordingly. So that's the end of our video. Did you find these tips helpful? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date with all the latest Security Guarding news. Thank you for watching. We hope to see you in the next one.